kitchen. Hey, welcome back to Whiskey Thieves TV. I'm the Baker.
You got the general here.
I'm just Joey.
Yeah.
He's not just Joey. He's Joey.
All right, what are we doing today, guys?
Dude, we are tasting a little RabbitHole.
Hippity hoppity.
Yeah, man. We've been, a lot of people have been talking about this.
Yep.
We've been wanting to get our hands on it. It's not like that it's hard. It's just it's one that you kind of pass up a lot. You just look at it, you're like, oh, that looks really cool. I love the bottle.
Yeah, the etching.
Yeah, everything looks beautiful
looks
about
really
it.
cool.
Yeah.
And the price points, in the 50s. Like, this is their CaveHill expression, so it's probably their most expensive one.
And we're talking about a Kentucky straight, right?
Yeah, it's Kentucky straight, 4 grain. Age statement on this guy is, they say, over 3 years. So, 3 to 4 years, I'm guessing.
It's gonna be a quick review today.
You gotta. That was like too premature.
Anticlimactic.
Sorry.
We may have to add a sound effect.
I will add a sound effect to that.
Oh, that was terrible. All right,
right,
let's just get into it.
I'm pretty sure my sweat dripping now made a lot of pop.
It made a lot of pop. Wow, one of these kids is not like the other.
I know.
Easy
Someone
there.
forgot their gloves.
Easy.
Hey, now, knee on the jolt.
Hey. Let's get into this.
Smell this real quick.
Yeah, next thing you know, we'll be throwing on rabbit ears.
Smells really good.
Honey,
Yeah.
Oh,
little cinnamon, little spice.
You know, I
Rather
heard
nice.
apple, and I do smell a little bit of apple.
Yeah, you got that like almost green apple.
Yeah.
Green
like
apples.
Little
Granny Smith
kick.
in there.
I had a banana love.
God, no heat.
Yeah, and this is a.
What is the proof?
Dude, this is
There's
like a,
no heat.
This is 95 proof.
No, it isn't.
95 proof. That's smooth.
There is no heat to this.
There is no heat. Palate wise, it's smooth on the palate. It's nice.
Yeah. Yeah,
I'm
it's
getting
really
some
easy.
mint.
Yeah.
Actually, you got some mint, some cinnamon in
But
there.
so mild.
honey.
So
Very
mild.
mild for
It's
95 proof.
You can tell it's a whiskey or a bourbon in this case, right? But no heat. And look, any beginner whiskey drinker,
Oh, you're gonna love
Yeah.
it.
You're gonna love
Absolutely,
it.
for
You're gonna love
sure,
it.
for sure. You know what? This is gonna be a staple in my
Yeah, that's a
liquor
must.
cabinet.
all right, it's a keeper.
It's a keeper. It's a
All right.
keeper and a sharer.
Good job, Rabbit Hole.
Yeah, we're stoked. We need to line up their other expressions.
Yeah.
And just go down the line.
I like
we haven't
that.
done one of those for a while.
Hey, thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And make sure you follow us at Whiskey Thieves TV.
Stay safe, stay sane.
Stay safe,
Peace.
stay sane.
Did you go with
Really? Who's out there?